Hey YouTube. I got another project. Like I told you, I still wanted to do the off-road tractor. So I kept watching Arild, I think it's Arild, or ARILD 365, and Fearless Front. And I finally got myself another tractor. I'm going to show it to you right now. Buddy said it was a 1990 LT4000. IC in the motor in it. IC Gold 12.5 IC. So what IC means is, let's set it here one sec. Industrial Commercial Engine Cast Iron Sleeve. So, filter. I got everything, man. He even made his own shut off. I just filled it. Yeah, man. Like, got a pretty damn good battery in it by the looks of it. What was I looking for again? Oh, yes, and, I've been trying to find where. Oh, I found it. Okay, right in there. If you guys can see your phone. Oh, there we go. Is the solenoid. That looks like it's at a good spot. But also, guys, I got myself another project. I'll start this up in a second for you. As I was looking for a car or tractor or something. So what I found was a 1992 Chevrolet. Pretty in decent shape. All I needed is a couple patch jobs. Okay. 230,335 kilometers on this motor. The 4x4 Chev. New stereo, 6-seater. Sorry about all the junk in the back, guys. 6-seater. Let's pop the motor for you. And again, guys, I'm sorry about this one. I can't start this one, sadly, because the battery on it, I stripped the bolt on it, so I gotta get a new bolt. I'll show you there now really quick. This right here, this bolt right here. If you look, I stripped her by accident, guys. But otherwise, this is a 305 5.0 liter 4x4. Brand new tires on it, McLean tires. But yeah, guys, I thought you guys would like that. Oh yeah, it also came with this bad boy right here, so needs a couple new locks, but okay. But anyway, this is back to the main part of this movie. Is this bad boy. Now, my video is not going to be too long today, because I'm going to try taking this motor deck off for you. But, let's get her going. Shoot straight up. Turn on the gas. Gas is on. Now, the only problem with this was it's got no brakes. But otherwise, she starts right up. Buddy, when I got it, I only got it for $10. Now, what he thought was the plug was gone in it, and the belt was, or the transmission was fucked. But yeah, guys, it wasn't, motherfuckers. So here, let's go. Let's give it a try. Yeah, that's right, boys. 5-speed transmission. There's the plates. There's the plates. So I don't know what size that is yet, but I got to figure it out. But yeah, guys. So I was lucky to get this one. Frig, it was an amazing deal. But I'm gonna take this deck off now, I think, and we'll go for a romp.